Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Subject verb agreement is the topic that has been running and has been imparting towards you. 30 rules has yet been covered so far in order to discuss various methods to match subject with verbs to make them proximity or balance between them. So 30 rules we have been covered. My previous topic, as you knew that was one of the. I've told you, if we use as a subject one of the, that would not will be counted, denoted as a number, but after that whatever will come, what the one of the, and then we naturally put plural subject. But that rule is told that when we one of the is used and then we put plural subject and then we agree singular verb. That was rule number 27. Next rule was that if we use a sentence with clause and we use one of the after the sentence, I mean main clause, we have the sentence, then we put that, who, what, which. Sentence is there, one of the, naturally the last word would be in plural as a subject. Then we agree to the clause as who after what, and that we agrees to the last word as a precedent. That would be the plural verb there, as I have told you in previous one. Third rule was, as I have told you, when we use one of the, but before that we use the only, that would even with phrase takes singular verb. So study closely to not note down whatever I have told you during the discussion and the lecture, and whatever the books you have. Keep in your mind, that makes a student baffled in MCQs to understand whether the only is there, whether one of the is there, whether one of the and phrase is there. So keep in your mind such rules is there. Same connection to the same one of the we have in these rules. We have the rule number 31. This rule says collection of more than one is treated as a compound as one. Compound as one is a singular noun followed by singular verb. Singular noun followed by singular verb. Cha ache, jade more than one ache. More than one stands alone. खबर भी आई थे more than लिखला मुंदा भी इलाई, पर more than one एड़े किस्म जो असां वटि phrase अचे त उनखे छा चइबो, is a compound of one. We use a singular verb there, and that is very technical one. More than one. Now what is the verb there? Stands. Stands is plural verb. More than one stands alone. We have another one is more than one passenger. More than one passenger. More than one man stands alone. You can say use as one man. More than one man stands alone. More than one passenger was killed. Was killed is singular verb. More than one examinee, singular one, was expelled. Same is here. More than one room is vacant. Right? So from the sentences you will even see more than one is written. You are not be confused that more word is written, then we put naturally plural verb. No way. But you have to see the structure. More than one, that stands as one. More than one page. Page shy. Page means small area where we are cultivating something in a field. More than one page was planted. So these are the rules takes one of the. As you will see in the next rule, rule number 32. we have same as we have done in rule number 27 and rule number 28 and rule number 30. We have one of the structures. So see, as we have the same one, when we use more than, we have same more than one. Now see, more than one of the, more than one is used naturally. We use singular one, but when we have one of the, as I have told you in the previous one, when we use one of the, then we put what? One of the or one of possessive pronoun. Then we put plural subject there, right? See, one of the, then we use plural as a subject, then we agree what? Plural verb there. Keep in your mind, as I have told you, more one of the takes singular verb. One of the phrase clause comes, then we use the last precedent plural, agrees singular verb. But whenever we have the only one, we agree singular verb. But here that structure is even totally different from the previous one. More than one of the plural comes, then we put the plural verb. For example, more than one. असां वटि अॻु में हुयो more than one, पोइ हिते असां हिकिड़ो सब्जेक्ट पिया आणूं सिंगुलर, पोइ होॾे असां सिंगुलर वर्ब इस्तेमालु पिया कयूं. पर more than हाणे असांखे more than one त आहे, पर असांजी हाणे स्ट्रक्चर वरी साॻी हूअ थी अचे पई. More than one of the paintings. Now what is agreed? Verb. I mean plural verb is used. More than one of the paintings were stolen. Clear? Now coming towards the second sentence, more than one of the, what is that? That is not colleges, but that is collages, a frame in which various photos or photographs are fixed. That is what called collage. So more than one of the collages are on sale. Plural verb, right? Because of what? Because of more. If that is written one of the collages, जेकॾहिं असां हिन खे छॾे ॾियूं, more than one खे हितां छॾे ॾियूं, हिन खे असां हिते पढ़ूं one of the collages, नेचुरली हिते is थींदो. पर हीअं स्ट्रक्चर हूंदी more than one of the collages, पोइ असांखे हिन स्ट्रक्चर जे मुताबिक़ असांखे छा रखणो पवंदो? प्लूरल रखणो पवंदो. See, the next one is more than one of the big cities suffer, not suffers, in COVID-19. Structure is same here and we put a plural verb is there. Same one is more than one of the eggs are rotten. More than, same as it is, structure is there. More than is written, and because of one of the eggs are rare, but we put a plural verb there. More than one of the eggs are rotten. Last one is there from the rule number 32. More than one of my students are CSS officer. More than one of my students are CSS officers there. So in the last we will put as the plural verb is there. So this is the structure, and we have still remaining a structure of such kind of rules, rule number 32 and now 33, to discuss what is there. Previous discussion we have done rule number 31 and 32. In 31, that was when we use more than one and then we put singular noun, then we agree to the verb as a singular verb. But when we have more than one of the, then one of the takes plural subject, then we agree to the plural verb. That was in 31 and 32 rules. Now we have the next rule that is in front of you, that says that when we put more plural noun, not more than, but more than plural noun or plural subject, then one, more pillar subject, then one, and that is looking like that one, what would be there, then we use a pillar verb there. That is even typical structure of the proximity or subject verb agreement. For example, we have more principles. No doubt that will take pillar, but whenever we use then one, more than, more pillar principle than one, then we agree to this one, not this one. But that is just structure is on the whole in pillar we use in this structure in this way. More principles than one were present in the meeting. That is the structure. So most of the time, student is baffled when we have the word one, then one, then one, then one, and there is a then one. Then what students do? They agree to the singular verb there. That is improper and imbalance in the structure of subject verb agreement. See the next, more books. More books than one have been burnt. More employees than one are late. Same as here, more candidates than one have been disqualified. Last is there, more farmers than one have plowed field. So these are students structure. You have to go, these 6 structures are there. They are very much interesting but not confusing in the sense that these all rules have various structure of one of the, that's why we are sometimes baffled. But the more you practice, the better you understand all these structure of the sentences in proper way. Thank you very much, student.